Hi, my name is Will. I've lived in 5 countries in 4 years, and I'm still traveling. I'm currently in the Dominican Republic, in the city of Cabarete. I'm still discovering everything this city has to offer. Taking a walk along the tourist area of Cabarete Beach, taking in the sights, seeing everything there is to see on a Sunday afternoon. It's the beginning of high season, which starts in November and goes all the way until May here in Cabarete. In this video, we're just going to talk about some of the simpler things in life. With everything going on now in the world and all the chaos and drama, I fully realize how lucky I am to be in an island paradise. A tropical island means more than just that. It also offers a plenty of fruits and vegetables. Take the simple avocado. They're everywhere. I was just on my way out when I realized I hadn't shown you guys one of the best amenities to our Airbnb. We have an amazing avocado tree right on the property. I don't know if you actually saw avocados in the video shot, but they're there. And oh, wait a minute, look, there's one right there. We've had free avocados the whole time we've stayed here. And I'm sure you know what I'm gonna do with this. It's guacamole time. What time is it? Take a look. It's guacamole time. I know everybody has their own recipe for guacamole, so please don't tell me I did it wrong in the comments. But anyways, here we go. We're gonna start with the ingredients first. We have 2 avocados, nice and soft, ready to go. Onion, lime, cilantro, tomatoes, and I know not everybody puts garlic in their guacamole, but I do. So, oh, and salt and pepper. Almost forgot. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the avocados first. We're gonna split those open. Do not get rid of the seed. We're gonna set that aside for now. What we do is we just scoop out the avocado. Get all the avocado out of So now you have the avocado in the bowl, and you want to take a fork and begin to smash. Now we're going to add some onion. Next is garlic. Very finely minced. And also an ingredient I forgot to mention, the tomatoes. I happen to have cherry tomatoes in the house, so that's what I'm using. Take those, just split them. Add some lime. Some salt and pepper to taste. And a handful of cilantro also, which we're going to chop up. And we're going to take all those ingredients and mix them up. And there you go, a nice chunky guacamole. But now the real test is to taste. It's really good. Remember how I told you to save the seed? Well, there's a reason for that. And as always in my videos, I tell you, you must give back. So this is another way in which to give back. Like I said, you take your avocado seed, because there is an outer layer to the seed and you need to expose the inner part. So you need to peel it carefully, peel away the outside, exposing the inner seed. That's what it looks like. And then what you do is you take this seed, you place it and wrap it in a paper towel, because what you eventually want to have happen is have this seed sprout. So this is how you make it sprout. You put it in a napkin, you wrap it up nice and tight. You add a little bit of water to moisten the paper towel on the outside. And you wonder why I peel all this extra layer off the seed? It's to stop the seed from actually rotting when we place it, put it away to let it sprout. And so what we do is take this and we place it in a plastic bag. And once again, we're repurposing something that is a danger to the planet. We're reusing plastic bags. So what you do is you take it, put it in the plastic bag, wrap it up, put it in a cool, dark place for approximately 2 weeks. And I have something to show you. I actually did this 2 weeks ago, and now we'll look at the result. Let's see what's coming on. Oh, look, there it is. It has actually started to sprout. And now we can actually take this and actually put it in the ground, and it has a good start. And you wonder why I don't put it in the ground immediately. It's because a lot of times there are certain seeds that don't do well when you place them in the ground. A lot of times they get root rot, or they just rot simply in the ground. But this way it gives it a more viable chance of surviving. And just so you know, these are the roots and this is the actual sprout that's coming. So what I'm gonna do, as always, I'm gonna pick a spot, dig down deep enough in which to put the whole seed in, and just leaving the sprout exposed slightly, just like that. And then we're gonna fill it in. And typically you'd want to water the seed into the ground, but here in the Dominican Republic, it rains almost every night, so it gets plenty of moisture. And as you can see, something so simple as that, a great guacamole. Also, to imagine if each one of us that made guacamole took the seed and planted it in the ground, how many thousands of trees would be grown from that? Is it not the bare minimum as tourists that we can give back to this island? Dominican cigars are known worldwide for their superior quality and exquisite taste. Grown in the fertile soils of the Dominican Republic, these cigars are made using only the finest tobacco leaves. Highlighting the incredible craftsmanship and dedication of the Dominican farmers and cigar makers. Whether you prefer bold or flavorful, or a lighter one, there's a Dominican cigar for every palate. Just bought a cigar. I just want to take a chance and try it. It's absolutely fresh. The guy asked me to wait 1 hour, but you know, I decided to wait a whole day to make sure that it was absolutely perfect. And so let's see. What makes it better is a glass of old rum. Let's see. Excellent combination. How are you supposed to do this? Okay, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, please hit the like button and smash the subscribe. And as always, bye!